Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the three major US indexes. Just before I start today's video, quick apology for not posting any videos from Wednesday onwards last week. This is because I have actually moved countries. I'm now living in Dubai as an act to basically protect my capital from taxes. You know, as my trading account is getting to a certain size now, I was just getting eaten alive from paying UK taxes. So I am now officially a Dubai resident, so apologies for not posting any videos last week for 3 days. That was just simply because I was traveling and moving countries, and obviously, as you can all imagine, I was very busy. But let's get started with today's video. Of course, just before we start today's video, anyone who is interested in joining my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video, so just scroll down, click on the link, it'll bring you to this website. Once on my website, if you just scroll down again, and you can subscribe under the monthly subscription section or become one of my VIP clients. But let's get started officially with today's video. First trading session of the week, S&P 500 trading back above 5,200, which is good to see. Currently find ourselves trading up 0.06%, so pretty much flat on the day. But we were trading down around 0.4% at one point during today's trading session, but we have paired those losses. You know, in terms of the trend, we are kind of trading within this second uptrend. We've had a series of lower highs back on the 1st of February 2024 and the 21st of February, and then of course last week. So this is kind of a new trend line that I want to kind of respect. If we could get back within the first trend line, but then that would be very significant in itself. That being said, guys, this week is all about the CPI inflation report that we see on Wednesday. Wednesday, we are expected to get that inflation data. Of course, the two areas which have been causing a lot of inflation as of recent is shelters and used car prices. Now, the good news is that last week we got some data with regards to used car prices, and that data suggests that prices are continuing to fall. So that should prove beneficial to that inflation report. That being said, you know, we've seen commodity prices rise significantly over the past couple of weeks. I don't think that will be too much interrogated into this inflation number, but it is definitely a concern going into the next couple of months. If we just quickly jump over to Nasdaq100, you know, again, we've broken that trend line, but we found support at 50-day EMA. The fact that we've stayed above the 50-day EMA is very positive. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a lower than expected inflation report on Wednesday. You know, we'd probably likely see the S&P, the Dow, and the Nasdaq100 trade back up towards all-time highs and probably break back above the previous highs that were set just a few weeks ago. And then finally, moving over to DowJones30, you know, very similar to Nasdaq100, we briefly tested a 50-day EMA. We actually dipped below it for a few hours, and then we've managed to regain it on Friday session, which is quite positive. Trading flat for the day. I would like to see some more upside movement in this over the coming days and weeks ahead. And just quickly, if we go to the US dollar starting to kind of show some signs of weakness. I still believe that the dollar is set for some significant losses in the coming days and weeks, as well as the 10-year yield. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget, if you'd like to join my Signal team, and make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. Thank you, and I'll see you all tomorrow.